Guys, I have been so freaking busy from not being busy at all since COVID. I have been so busy creating automotive visual for you guys that I don't have time to edit my vlog this week. But we have been light painting and photographing a very, very dope purple Lamborghini. I'll put the picture up right here. This is what we've been doing. I'll have that vlog out next week. And today yesterday we're actually shooting for MBTH, which is Mercedes-Benz Thailand. We're doing a digital campaign for him. For their digital media, obviously, like digital catalog, digital wallpaper. It will be out on my Instagram, so check out the link. It'll be out on their Instagram and all their social too. But the highlight of today and what I wanted to show you guys is that because I've been so busy creating this stuff, I'd like to share the art that I've been creating with you. So I've made a digital gallery of all my car photos and I want to share it with you guys. So go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. And guys, a little good news, these prints will be available for sale in a very, very near future, early 2021. We're gonna have a collection called Car and Cosmo. But without further ado, go check out my prints and my art. Peace.
Call me Mr. Galactic, I can't stop. Universal bomb, that's all I drop. DJs worldwide, turn my shit up.
Turn my shit up.
Turn my shit up. Empire, I'm falling, I can't be stopped, I'm balling, I'm addicted to greatness, I'm addicted to glory. Victory, I'm doing me, I'm doing me, I'm doing me. Fuck what I say, I'm doing me. Do it for my fam, I'm doing we. Don't within the feeling of ecstasy, I'm about to take over the galaxy. Obviously, you're curious, I'm serious, we furious. Living my life like a miracle, make a miracle look so normal. Indigo, cosmic flow, type of shit you pray for. Obviously, I overglow, obviously, I'm stacking dough. Can't help it, I'm an indigo, riding with goddess and angels. Live in the sky, my stars align.
So how do you guys like my digital gallery? So that's just accumulative of, you know, the art we've been photographing. I'm gonna have a collection and a print available for you guys. The print collection is called Car and Cosmo. I'm working with my editor, check out his IG, and I'm working with a guy in London, UK for this collection. We're gonna have an online store soon, so you guys stay tuned. Early 2021, shipping worldwide, printing in acrylics. I hope you guys like that. And that's the reason I've been busy. Before I go, guys, I'd like to give a shout out to Mercedes-Benz Thailand for having us creating a digital catalog for their Motor Expo this year. You guys will see it on my IG. You guys will see it on all their digital channels as well. Shout out to Lamborghini Bangkok too for having us shoot the purple Lamborghini Huracan and my boy G-Man Pigong. Thank you so much, bro. The week after that, we're gonna be shooting green Lamborghini Huracan Spider as well. We're shooting that on December 11th. So at the time this vlog is out, I'll have that vlog out after. You guys will see how we do it. It's getting busy, guys, and I love it. Don't forget, guys, before I let you go, like, subscribe, comment, talk to me. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Whatever. I don't care if you don't like it. But for now, guys, this backpack's fucking heavy. I got all my gear in here. There's a really cool massage chair. A whole bunch of them over there. So me and my assistant, we're going to go get a massage because we've been working like 1 week straight. And I got to edit this when I go home. So I might get a 30-minute massage and go home. Guys, shout out to you guys. Peace and love. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Like, subscribe.